morning. It is currently 8:20 a.m. On December 3rd. I just got off work. What you just saw was like pretty much my routine of me getting home from work and, you know, getting cleaned up, showered, brushed my teeth, did the whole 9. I have a dentist appointment at 10 a.m. so I'm actually staying up today. I pretty much can push my body past a threshold. If I get past 10 or 11 a.m. I'm just like, okay, I'm up. You know what I mean? So I'm going to quickly take my sheets and pillows and stuff off and throw them in the wash before I go, and kind of try to organize a little bit because my room is in shambles and I just like can't bear to look at it. I'm gonna try to edit this video that way you guys have a little something for the week. Girl is tired. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna quickly get my sheets together and then I'm gonna clean my room later when I come back. Hopefully I won't be tired, fingers crossed, but I will. I know I will. I'm gonna take my daily vitamin. Let me show it to you guys real quick. So I had noticed that my body just felt really tired. I basically just felt decharged. Like I was getting through my day, but I was just so exhausted, and I was like, maybe my iron is low. So I got some daily What a Day Woman's daily vitamins, and these are the Equate ones from Walmart. They work great. Ever since I started taking them, I felt fabulous. So this is basically my breakfast because I'm now intermittent fasting, which works great for me because I wasn't eating that much anyways. If you guys want me to talk about this once I actually get a little deeper into intermittent fasting, I'll make a video about it. But for now, I finally found my hours, which work great for me as a night shift person who just stays up all night regardless of if I'm at work or not. I fast between 2 a.m. and 6 p.m. and I eat between 6 p.m. and 2 a.m. and it works perfect for me. So I ate this morning. I ate lunch at work around midnight. I always eat at like 12:30 when I'm at work, and I'm not gonna eat until 6 p.m. Of the day for you guys. Once again, don't mind the background, let it go, okay? Because I'm in the process of getting it clean. Anyways, I'm wearing my crop moto jacket from Rue 21. I've had this for years now. I'm wearing this thrifted shirt that I got years ago as well. I'm wearing some sweatpants that I got from Walmart. I'm gonna link these below because one of my best friends actually like loved these the other night when I wore them, and I was like, girl, they're so comfy and I love them. They're from the sports section. And then I'm wearing my Not Martens. And then where's my bag? And then I'm wearing my favorite purse. I'm so happy I thrifted this. Can you believe Val tried to stop me? She tried to stop this. You can't do it. But yeah, this is my new fave purse and I haven't been able to put her down. I'm obsessed. And I can't believe how on trend this is because I just bought it because I was like, wow, this is cute. It's giving me vintage vibes. And then literally 2-3 weeks later, all of a sudden everybody was wearing the little Prada sling bags. And I'm like, not sling bags, but the little Prada shoulder bag. And I was like, am I just like a psychic at this point? That's so cliquely. It makes sense.
6.5 hours later.
So today was a fail, as per usual. I literally slept through all of my alarms, didn't hear a thing, like a thing. So did not go to the gym today. I'm gonna do an ab workout in my room tonight though. I mean, just like we thought, you know what I mean? I mean, we knew. And then I'm about to go cook some dinner. So let's go to that. Alright guys, it's currently 5:58. As you know, I'm intermittent fasting, so at 6 o'clock I can start eating. I haven't eaten since 2 in the morning. This is day 2 of success. So during the week, or the days that I'm not off, I try to do my eating between 6 p.m. and 2 a.m. And then if I'm off like on the weekends and I know I'm gonna like do brunch or something with my friends, I give myself a 12-hour fast instead. So I do 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. When I can eat, and it's pretty awesome that way. So yeah, this is what I'm eating tonight. It kind of looks bland, so don't mind it, but I seasoned the heck out of this cauliflower rice and it tastes so good. This is just some salmon on top and then some avocado. I got it today, so it's not the best coloring, but hey, it was ripe enough to get cut into, so it's getting 8. Just cauliflower rice, y'all. Amazing. And I'm gonna drink some water. Y'all should be proud of me because a Coke would really slap right now. But I'm not gonna do it to myself this month. I'm not gonna do it to myself. The next Coke I wanna have is all the way at the end of the month when I'm actually on vacation. You know what I mean? Y'all, the avocado with the cauliflower. I gotta go buy. Okay guys, before I leave the kitchen, I want to show you these. These are meal prep bowls from Kroger's. This is the only place I've ever seen them like this. Walmart has some, but it's just a plain one with no separation. I like these because they actually tell you how many cups are in each one, and it has the lids. It's a pack of 10, I believe. So, and then this one's for Val for tomorrow because she really liked it and she wanted me to pack her some lunch for tomorrow. I also pretty much hate anything that's good for me, so I don't like kombucha. I haven't found one that I like. It just reminds me of apple cider vinegar, and I can't go for those. So I'm also eating some pitted prunes, which are dried plums, if you didn't know, to get my bowels moving. I also have some ginger tea. You can get this from the farmer's market. I got this. Yeah, Val got this from the farmer's market. But this ginger tea is really good. This is the only tea I can drink without creamer and without adding sugar. So it's great for intermittent fasting. So in between fasting hours, I only drink tea and water, or I sleep.